What do you do when life gives you too many oranges? Make a zesty citrus panna cotta. To start our panna cotta, we need to bloom some gelatin leaves in this cold water. And then for the rest of the mixture, we're going to add our cream, milk, orange zest, sugar, saffron water, which I've previously steeped. So it's just a pinch of saffron that's been steeped in about a tablespoon of hot water. Vanilla, one of my favourite spices. And honey. Put your panna cotta mixture onto the stove on a low-medium heat and give it a stir occasionally. Just bring it up to steaming point. Do not let this boil. We're going to squeeze out the excess moisture from these jelly-like gelatin leaves. They remind me of jellyfish. Just give it a good squeeze and pop it into our warm panna cotta mixture. Give it a good whisk. We're going to strain off our panna cotta mixture just to get rid of any lumpy bits or undissolved gelatin, and then we'll be ready to pour them into moulds. I love to serve these panna cottas in gorgeous retro dessert glasses, but if you don't have any, martini glasses will work just fine. Pop your panna cottas in the fridge for at least 4 hours. I've got some macerated oranges soaked in thyme from my garden and sugar. These will cut through the richness of the panna cotta beautifully. For the finishing touches, I'm just going to garnish my panna cottas with some thyme. Now how's that for a garden-inspired dessert?